Mr. Dennis Brown.
No, cold-hearted fools. Whoa, no, you always have nothing to give. No, that's not the way one should live. You're living in your selfish world. And no matter if you're a boy or girl, no, no, cold-hearted fools. Well, can you tell me what you've been fighting for? Is it material things or a necessary tribal war? Yeah, it's time for all these things be put to an end, and make one and all be friends. Oh yes, whoa, cold-hearted fool. Oh no, 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 yeah. The sun will shine for you today. So it's best for you to pick up your Bible and pray. Yeah. Cold-hearted fools. Oh yes. Forget about them tools. Oh Lord. Cold-hearted fools. A greedy dog showeth his own reflection in the water, and thought he could have that bone too. Well, now that very same day he lost his bone into the water. Water was so deep the bone he could not recover.